for this one, get in your bow stance, and you're gonna pretend like you're on a trampoline, and you're gonna settle the joints into the trampoline, the feet into the trampoline, compressing the feet, rise up through the shoulders, and then you're gonna drop into the trampoline, bouncing up, down. Okay. Slight pop up. Just making sure that all the force coming up and down from gravity goes all the way through your joints and the shoulders, all the way down the knees, down through the grounding. Nice and calm, sinking.
Almost like a ballet.
Sort of.
Because the balance is there.
Yeah, the balance is there. But the main thing is the focus of getting the energy to go up the body and to release down the body. We don't want it to just stay stuck in the body. We want all the force compressing from the joints up the body and releasing all the way down through the feet. So we're going to open all the joints and then close all the joints. Linking and unlinking. Linking, unlinking. Okay, so work on that one over the week. Yep. Good job. Nice. Yep.